Welcome back MH Car Review. Today we're diving into something that pushes the boundaries of luxury mobile living to levels we've never seen before. What you're looking at is the Bugatti luxury motorhome concept, a stunning vision of what happens when the world's most prestigious hypercar manufacturer decides to reimagine the recreational vehicle. This isn't just another RV with a fancy badge slapped on it. This is Bugatti bringing their signature blend of extreme performance, uncompromising luxury, and cutting-edge design to the world of motorhomes, and the result is absolutely mind-blowing. Let's start with the exterior design, because that's where this motorhome immediately grabs your attention and refuses to let go. The front fascia is unmistakably Bugatti, featuring that iconic horseshoe grille that's been a hallmark of the brand since its earliest days. But here, it's been reimagined for a vehicle that's exponentially larger than any Chiron or Veyron. The grille is massive, yet perfectly proportioned, and it's flanked by sleek LED headlight assemblies that sweep back into the bodywork with an aggressive, purposeful stance. The overall silhouette is remarkably aerodynamic for a vehicle of this size, with flowing lines that reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency while maintaining that unmistakable Bugatti presence. The two-tone color scheme you see here, with silver and dark charcoal creating a striking contrast, is classic Bugatti styling brought into the motorhome world. Those massive wheels, likely 24 inches or larger, feature intricate spoke patterns that echo designs we've seen on Bugatti's hypercars, and they're wrapped in specially designed tires that can handle both the immense weight of this vehicle and the performance demands Bugatti is known for. Moving along the sides, you'll notice the clever use of glass and body panels to create a sense of lightness despite this being an absolutely massive vehicle. Large panoramic windows run the length of the passenger compartment, offering incredible views for those inside while maintaining privacy through what appears to be electrochromic glass that can be tinted at the touch of a button. The aerodynamic side skirts aren't just for show either, they channel air smoothly along the body and help manage the airflow around those enormous wheels. At the rear, Bugatti has incorporated their signature quad taillight design, scaled up appropriately but maintaining that distinctive appearance that's instantly recognizable. The rear also features a hydraulically deployable deck area that extends to create additional outdoor living space when you're parked at your destination. Step inside, and you enter a world that redefines mobile luxury. The interior is a masterclass in craftsmanship, featuring the finest materials Bugatti's artisans could source. We're talking hand-stitched leather upholstery in colors and patterns that can be fully customized to owner specifications, exotic wood veneers harvested from sustainable sources, machined aluminum and carbon fiber accents throughout, and even optional precious metal inlays. The driver's area is positioned like a cockpit, with a fully digital instrument cluster, a massive curved display for navigation and vehicle information, and a steering wheel that would look at home in a Chiron. The driver and front passenger seats are fully adjustable multi-contour units with heating, cooling, and massage functions. Behind the cockpit, the living quarters are simply extraordinary. The main salon features opposing lounge areas with seating that can accommodate 8 to 10 people comfortably. There's a full galley kitchen with top-tier appliances from brands like Miele or Gaggenau, marble or quartz countertops, a wine refrigerator that can hold dozens of bottles at perfect temperature, and storage solutions that maximize space while maintaining clean, uncluttered aesthetics. The sleeping quarters include a master suite with a king-size bed, ensuite bathroom with a full-size shower featuring body jets and rain head, heated flooring, and premium fixtures finished in brushed nickel or gold. There's also a guest bedroom with its own bathroom facilities, ensuring everyone travels in supreme comfort. Entertainment is handled by a state-of-the-art audiovisual system with 4K displays throughout, a premium sound system with dozens of speakers strategically placed for optimal acoustics, and connectivity for all your devices. Smart home integration allows you to control lighting, climate, privacy glass, and entertainment systems through voice commands or a central touchscreen interface. Now let's talk about what's under that gorgeous exterior. While exact specifications haven't been officially released, industry insiders suggest this Bugatti motorhome could be powered by a massive diesel engine producing somewhere in the range of 600 to 800 horsepower, paired with an advanced transmission system that ensures smooth power delivery. There's also strong speculation about a hybrid powertrain option that would combine traditional combustion with electric motors for improved efficiency and reduced emissions. The chassis is engineered to Bugatti's exacting standards, featuring air suspension that can adjust ride height and firmness based on road conditions, advanced stability control systems adapted from their Hypercar technology, and carbon ceramic brakes that provide incredible stopping power for a vehicle weighing potentially 20 tons or more. As for pricing, while Bugatti hasn't released official numbers, experts estimate this extraordinary motorhome could command anywhere from $10 to $15 million depending on customization options. Production would likely be extremely limited, perhaps just a handful of units per year, ensuring exclusivity that matches the Bugatti name. This isn't transportation, it's a statement, a rolling palace that brings Bugatti's century-plus legacy of excellence into an entirely new category. Thanks for watching MH Car Review.